I just opened up this pet grooming kit, and at first I was a little bit confused. So the main piece to this is this guy right here. So at first glance, I was like, okay, cool. So it's one of those really great brushes. I love using this style on my dog because as your brush, really nice and fine, and it really gets into the root of the hair. And then when you want to clean it off, you have this button right here that you push, and then it just helps, and then you can just grab the hair and then you can throw that out. So these brushes are really fantastic. But then I was a little bit confused because there's like this little hole right here where you can put in some water, and then there was even a power button. It is rechargeable, comes with the cable. So I'm like, what is going on here? So check this out. When we put on this power button here, then we get this like cool mist. So you can see my hands getting a little bit damp here. The nice thing is that even though this is like powered, like it's never going to heat up, so this is not going to be too hot. I keep saying dogs, this is for cats as well. I mean, my cat would hate it, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. So it's really neat because they give you this leave-in conditioner as well. So the ratio is like 1 to 5. So you would put, they give you a little bottle too, where they say the best way is to put a little bit of the leave-in conditioner in here, fill the rest with water, and then you would put it inside here. And this smells fantastic. There's like aloe in here. There's like honeysuckle, all kinds of like just natural ingredients. Like my dog has like, oh, chamomile as well. My dog is like super intense allergies, blah, blah, blah. So I think something like this is going to be really nice and soothing for his skin. So I'm excited to try it. So you have a little bit of in here, and because it's a leave-in conditioner, this mist is just kind of helping to spread this throughout the dog's body. So you have a little bit of this, a little bit of the water, and then as you are, you know, brushing them, it's going to kind of like leave their coat, you know, smelling really nice. It's like giving them a bath without actually giving them a bath, which I think is really cool. So this is like that main piece, but then it comes with all of these other things as well. These are so lovely. I like these. You fill them up with some soap. I always put a little bit of water in here, and then when we're actually in the shower, when I'm giving him a bath, this foams up, and then you can get in there and scrub really, really good. You have like the long gloves with like the little pieces on here. So for my dog, because he's not a long-haired dog, I don't use these ones as much, but when you have like a golden retriever or something, these are so great to wear these gloves and kind of go down their body, and that hair just comes off. My dog doesn't work as well with him. I have a little French bulldog. These ones are fantastic too. I really love these when I'm in the shower or shower with the dog. So you kind of just slip this on your wrist, you can adjust it, and then this will go ahead and grab their hair. So there's like different consistencies there. And then I've never seen these before. This is really cute. So this one here is for teeth. So you just go ahead and slip this on, and then you can gently go in with these little rubber pieces here and brush their teeth. And then this one here is for their ears. So same thing, this slips on here, and then you can go inside their ears. Of course, very gently, you want to be careful there. They also give you this really nice, super absorbent towel so that you can quickly and easily dry off your dog. So I think, yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I do love that it comes with all of these. Definitely going to be using these on a regular basis, but this is going to be fun.